Hey, here we go. One box of 2015 Prizm draft picks. Foosball for tsdst5. Good luck, buddy. Buena suerte. Tanvir. Yeah, who went live? I can't remember who went live. They had a case when 0910 empty. 0910 0910 National Treasures basketball, and that was just a disaster. I thought it was you. That I ended up joining that break, and it was just a disaster. Jeremy Hill. Oh, Jeremy Hill. Prizm. Justin Hardis, Jameis Winston. I'll read you the names off. You can just type it in the chat. Kikaha. Prizm. Holiday and Allen. Oh, we need another gold in this stuff. Rogers, Ellington, Vince Mail. Vince, you've got mail. Charles Gaines, Trey Flowers. All right. Yeah, I'm trying to remember who did that break. It's going to eat me alive now. Malcolm Brown. I know you want Duke Johnson. Nick Boyle. Ooh, purple. Ooh, Eli Manning. Purple is Carlos Williams. FSU, wrong FSU player. 25 of 99, Carlos Williams. Purple Prizm. Gary Nova, Matt Jones. I think you like Matt Jones. Oh, there's our autograph right there. What's up, Steven? Marquez Lee, All-American. Desmond Lewis, Cameron Artis Payne. Still got, it's still Monday. Julio Jones, RG3. Danny Shelton. Prizm. De'Ron Brown. There's our second autograph right there. Right. Dakota something. Oh, Baronesh. Stained glass. J.J. Watt. J.J. Watt. I thought it was Dakota. Stained glass. Brandon Sharif. Senkez Golson. Try to put some of the rookies over here. There we go. Oh, yeah. I remember that. Jordan Cameron. Pete and Doss. And Jameis Winston. I just add a plural to his name. Jameis Winston. Jalen's Connors, Janelle Grissom. Alright, let's go with the purple auto first. So we got Marcus Murphy, Jamison Crowder, and our purple autograph, or it's purple on the back, it's not purple on the front. Quan Alexander, not our second one of him. Quan Alexander, go Tigers. Clay Matthews, Carson Palmer, look at that, USC pack. And this one is orange. Devontae Parker, Titus Davis. Camouflage autograph. Be big. 133 of 199. Sammy Coates. Auburn Tigers. Sammy Coates. Sammy Not Watkins coats. Hey, speaking of Sammy Watkins, I'm gonna throw this one in there in your pack too. Okay. Nice. Good stuff. Thank you, Easy. You done with that trash? No, I've got you can't be done. I've got 9 boxes to go.